import circular error. So, all right. Hi, everybody. This is Sam with Python Basics. And okay, so you might be wondering what in the world this is right here. But as you can see, I'll do it. I never forget. So I'm going to go ahead and put a link up right above to this video right here. So today's video is a little bit of an experiment, so bear with me. So I was kind of going through and really trying to figure out how in the world I want to handle this, but I'm going to show you or have links above of two videos that I think are very important for the community that has been here for the past year that you may not have seen, because we've had over half of the subscribers that we have now have missed these two videos. But this video right here, what it does is it is showing you to not name a module or a file, because I think everybody's done it. You import your module Pygame and you're like, oh, I'm going to make a Pygame file, so you make a pygame.py. This video addresses why. So now the next video. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Thanks for joining us today. Today's video is how to handle and replace multiple. Okay, so in this video right here, it is going into replacing multiple characters in a string. And that can be a very handy tool where you're going through and you're stumped. And I believe that we show 3 different ways of doing this. But like I said, today's video is really just an experimentation to show, because I have actually emailed YouTube several times that I've just been now made aware that on mobile, and maybe you guys have been telling me, and I apologize, that it is not very user-friendly of how to search for videos on a YouTube channel, because I was really looking for stuff on a certain channel that I needed to do some research on. And I went and hit the magnifying glass, and it completely went to all of YouTube and was not narrow focus. So I was very disappointed at that, and I had to get up and go get on desktop and search the channel and do a bunch of saving for the videos that I wanted to see. So you guys have gotten me thinking, and have a couple of ideas, but of course I'm going to need some feedback. But I really think that these two videos are really some high-level skills that, one, you need to be aware of it if you've not already run into that problem, and two, this how to replace multiple characters, because you are going to run across this at some point in your time programming. But thank you, as always, for all the support. I can't tell you thank you enough. 8,300 and something. That number just sounds crazy. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're jumping over to Discord. Make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button so you're not missing out on any videos. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.